Wow, 910 Samsung. 1, 2, 3, 4 door. It has its own water dispenser. No hooking up to the taps. She's immaculate. For the age, 5 years old. Twin cooling system. Twin cooling. It's got Ice Master, and it's got power soda stream, so you can actually turn your drinks into like a soda drink. Yeah. And it's got your wine, party dishes, deli snacks, cold drinks, temperature. Then you got the next one down there, and that's full of more space underneath. All the vegetables. She's a beauty. She's in top condition too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a 910 litre. She's a very nice fridge. Beautiful condition, and the sides all good. Very good condition. It's a big fridge.